Thank you so much for taking this first step today. Just clicking the play button shows that we are genuinely ready to build a real good paying digital career. Well, my name is Henry Moses, but you can call me Coach Henry. I recorded this video for you so you can know exactly who you'll be learning from before you make the decision. I built this digital skill and career growth bootcamp specifically for you as an ambitious freelancer, graduate, career switcher, or young professional who wants real hands-on help. Inside this bootcamp, you will learn how to use AI tools to do 10 hours work or freelance work in just 2 hours. Build a clean online portfolio from scratch to show off your skill. Set up and run personalized campaign to reach out to your dream clients. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, X to find remote job offers and freelance gigs, and also pitch high paying clients with total confidence. This is 100% live training with live classes every single day, plus full support in our active group to make this a complete no brainer for you. This training is backed by our fully money back guarantee. So if you show up in class every day, do the practicals, assignments, and do not feel 100% confident to land job, we will refund your money back completely. So your success is fully protected. So now is the time to take the next step. First, kindly subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. As our live recorded classes will be saved and stored here. The next thing is to open the description of this video. You see more button. Then it will take you to a seller page. You see seller page, another information. And because you took your time to watch to this very point, you have proven that you are really serious and you want to build your career. So the page is the price is currently slashed. So you are currently paying half of the slashed price. That's as a reward of showing commitment. So before completing your payment, please kindly give this course a 5-star rating. You click on the seller link and click. Make sure you rate this course a 5-star rating. And also, if you dedicate your time, your effort, and you put God, there's definitely going to be great results. I look forward to seeing you in class and looking forward to see you in the live class as well. See you in class and do have a great day. Thank you so much for listening.